I wanted to say I am sorry for the loss of your son. I did not know how old he was. I thought he was a little bit younger than I am, and I did not know if he was armed or not.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay. And tell me, after you committed this crime and you spoke to the police, did you ever make that statement to the police, sir? That you were sorry for what you'd done or they're lost?
No, sir.
You never stated that, did you?
I don't remember what I said. I believe I did say that.
You told that to the police?
In one of the statements, I said that I felt sorry for the family.
You did?
Yes, sir. There were both males and females.
At the time you made that statement that you were sorry?
Yes, sir.
And let me make sure the record's clear. You stated exactly what to those detectives?
I don't remember exactly what verbatim.
Okay. But you're saying you expressed that concern for the loss of Mr. Martin, or that you had shot Mr. Martin, that you actually felt sorry for him?
I felt sorry that they lost their child, yes.
Why did you wait so long to tell Mr. Martin and the victim's mother, the father and mother, why did you wait so long to tell them?
I was told not to communicate with them.
Okay, so you, even through your attorney, you didn't ask to do it right away? Your former attorneys or anything?
I did ask them to express that to them, and they said that they were going to.
And just to anticipate, I guess, is the court ruling that I can't ask him about his statements he made to the police in terms of his limited testimony? I just want to, before I get that, I don't want to be trying to ask the question, objections being made.
We're all experienced. You've already anticipated, and you anticipate my ruling too.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
I have no further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you. Step down.
No further presentation.
State anything further?
No, sir, not.
Well, you know, I don't know what to make of this apology. Zimmerman doesn't look like he's sorry for anything. There's no remorse on his face, in his demeanor, in his voice. When he makes the apology, he's looking into the eyes of his lawyer the whole time. Kind of sounds sort of like he's apologizing for being late to work or something. Reminds me of when I was a little kid and I was forced to apologize for something I didn't want to apologize for, but that's just my opinion. My other observation is of the unpreparedness of the prosecution team, and particularly how unprepared the investigator was in answering questions about the term profiling. Profiling is not a bad word, people. I mean, people immediately go to racial profiling, but that wasn't, what it was about. Profiling is a law enforcement term which denotes the assessment of suspected criminal behavior through the observation of the subject. If you see someone creeping around, looking into car windows or checking vehicle or house doors to see if they're unlocked, well, that fits the profile of someone who is trying to commit a crime. It is my understanding that all that was observed by Zimmerman was Trayvon looking around. Which is not a crime. All in all, the prosecution seemed unprepared, and I'm going to make up a word here, stumbly and stutterish. Prosecution needs to do a lot more homework in this, and they need to be a little bit more aggressive in, just the wrongdoing of the alleged wrongdoing of Zimmerman at the front end of this. It was just unneeded. It was unneeded. But that's just this reporter's opinion. Thank you for watching the American News Channel.